Let's see how to install Google Chrome on Debian. I will be installing Chrome on Debian 13, but you can also follow this on Debian 12. We will start by downloading Google Chrome. For that, go to google.com/chrome and click the download Chrome button. Here download the 64-bit Debian/Ubuntu package. Once the download is finished, open a terminal and first log into the root user. Then change into the folder where you save the deb package. I save it in the user1's home directory inside the download folder. And here's the deb file, and we can install it using apt install command. And when specifying the file name, we need to put a / before the file name like this, and that's how we install deb packages in Debian or Ubuntu. And that's all we need to do. And now we should have Google Chrome installed. To update Chrome from the terminal, you can type apt install -- only upgrade google-chrome-stable. If there is a new version, it will update Chrome to the new version. And you can also update Chrome by downloading the latest deb package again from the Chrome website and install it using apt install command like we did when we installing Chrome.